Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Mike, and today, following a big amount of requests, I will completely analyse the BNB USDT arbitrage trading strategy step by step through Binance with a profit of about 15%. The sponsor of this video is our Telegram channel, where you can find free strategies and important information. We also offer a VIP channel that has even more private strategies and insider information. Contact our administrator for purchase. We never contact first. Beware of scammers. Let's get back to our strategy. Go to the trade tab and select the spot section. Search and select BNB/USDT as a trading pair. Select markets and specify the amount of USDT. As an example, purchase $1,000. The order was instant. Go to wallet, select the spot section. As you can see, the BNB is on our spot account. Switch, click login or register if you do not have an account. Next, go to the exchange tab and make sure that DNB is more expensive there than on the Binance. Right now, the difference is almost 15%. This is the market spread, in other words, our earnings. Go back to the wallet tab, select BNB and click deposits. Enter the number of coins we bought earlier and choose the BEP20 network. Click get address. Copy the address and switch back to Binance. Select BNB and then click withdraw. Insert the address. Select the BEP20 network. Enter the number of coins and click withdraw. Then check everything and pass the security check. The withdrawal is successful and will take 2 to 3 minutes. We can now see the funds on our balance. Let's check out the transaction history. As you can see, the BNB has been successfully received. Now let's exchange the BNB and USDT. The exchange commission is 0.1%. The exchange was successful, and now we return to the wallet tab. Select USDT and click withdrawal. Since this is a fast network, it's important to know that this has a minimum arbitrage commission. Enter the amount of USDT, and now we need an address. To do this, we return to Binance. Now we go back to deposit crypto, select USDT and click deposits. It is important that the networks we choose are the same. The funds are sent to the Binance. Let's go to the transaction history and withdrawal history. As you can see, the funds have been sent. Now let's go back to Binance and now go to the transaction history section. The funds were successfully credited to our balance, and at the same time, the net profit was $150, which is 15%. To find even more strategies, check out our VIP Telegram channel. Good luck and profits to all. I'll see you next time.